Hey everybody, welcome back or welcome if you're new. My name is Kimmy, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with y'all the Dreame D9 robot vacuum. And I just wanted to say thank you to Dreame for sending me this vacuum to review. And this is a sponsored video, but I am going to give you my honest opinions on it as we go along. So here are just some shots of the vacuum itself. I do want to mention how quiet it is when I use this. Oh my gosh, this is so cool, y'all. Okay, so I'm a little excited. Hopefully I can cover everything. But as you're looking at the vacuum, I'm just going to talk to you about a few things. So the Dreame D9 robot vacuum has advanced navigation and dynamic route planning. It also has advanced app functions, which you will see shortly. And it has a vacuum and mop 2-in-1. A few of you had asked me questions if this robot has a mop attachment as well, and I'm excited to say that it does. It also has a 3000 PA suction power, 150-minute ultra long runtime, and an unparalleled value at only $269.99 after discount, and that is a great deal. And this is the charging station, and what's super cool is the vacuum cleaner goes directly to the charging station once it is done with its cycle. And the Dreame D9 robot is compatible with my home, so I've already mapped out my living room and kitchen, and that is what we are going to be vacuuming up today. So to do this, I just click on the app, I set up the space I'm wanting to clean. It will map it out the first time, and then from then on it will know exactly which room to focus on, in which today is the living room. And it has a voice that tells you that it is starting, and it is going to start mapping out where it needs to go, which I think is really cool. As you can see here, you can see your robot on the app itself, and then you can see everywhere it's going. So some of the features on the app are multi-floor mapping, virtual no-go zones, scheduled cleaning, select room cleaning, real-time cleaning records, which I think is really cool. The routing plan is powered by LiDAR and SLAM smart algorithm, and it's enhanced accessibility and accuracy. So as you can see, this is under my dog Chloe's steps, and you would think, oh, this is definitely going to get stuck in here, but no, she knows exactly where she is, and she knows exactly how to wiggle her way out of there and then just keep on vacuuming as if it was a human doing it, that's just the craziest thing to me. I've never had a robot cleaner before, ever, of any kind, so I'm still just a little excited that this is even a thing. Like, this actually works. It's so crazy to me, but I just have to give y'all my honest opinions, and my honest opinions is just excitement. And if you're wondering if Chloe likes the vacuum cleaner, she does, and I think it's because of how quiet it is. So let's take a listen. So that was how loud it is when you are right next to it, but once you back away from it, it's even quieter than that. And I think that's a great feature for people that have different work shifts. Maybe somebody works at night and somebody works during the day, so you always have somebody sleeping during the day. This is not going to disturb them at all, so you can still get all of your cleaning done without disturbing anyone. Or if you have a kid taking a nap, you don't have to worry about them waking up. But while it is in the living room, I don't need to follow it around because it knows exactly where to go. I'm going to go ahead and come in the kitchen and go ahead and clear off everything from the floor just to make it easier for the vacuum to do its job. And I did this when I started to map out the rooms as well, just so now every time it goes to do the vacuuming, it can go underneath the table and it doesn't have to worry about the chairs being there. So that is my suggestion for y'all. If you get this D9 vacuum cleaner, just make sure that you are taking everything off of the floor that could hinder your vacuum. It may get stuck, but I will say if it does get stuck, it will let you know, and it also lets you know on your app as well, so you can always just go pause it and then reset it. But if everything is picked up, it should do just fine. And you'll notice that some things in my kitchen I didn't pick up. So there is some packets of drinks on the floor and it just brushes right beside them and keeps on doing its thing. So not everything has to be picked up, but any cords, anything that you think would hinder the vacuum, go ahead and pick that up. Or if you want to move your chairs, go ahead and do that as well, just so it can get a really good clean underneath your kitchen tables. Obviously, I think this is the coolest thing ever. I've never had a robot vacuum before, and now all I have to do is pick things up off the floor, turn on my phone. Y'all saw the app and how easy it is to use. It's so easy, and you don't even have to be in the same room. You can see exactly where it is at any time, and I love how she talks to you. So she lets you know if she gets stuck, she'll say, okay, repositioning or something like that. She is so smart, so you will always know if you need to go check on it, and that means that you don't have to be in the same room. You can be doing something else. So while she was in the living room cleaning this floor, I was in the kitchen preparing for her to clean that floor, and now she's in the kitchen. So if y'all are on the lookout for a robot vacuum, I feel like this is a great one. It is affordable, it's beautiful, and it does a really good job. And also it has the 2-in-1 mop feature as well, so it will take care of your floors and it will mop your floors as well, so you don't need anything else. She does it all, and I think that's really cool. Also, I would like to know what y'all think we should name her down below, because I kind of feel like she's, you know, she needs a name. But I hope y'all have enjoyed this video, getting to see the robot in action. It is so cool. I'm going to leave all the links down below where you can find this robot. And I did want to say a big thank you to Dreame for letting me try out their robot today and getting to share it with y'all as well, because I know some of you have been specifically asking me about robots, and now you have one to go check out. So let's say you need to go to lunch with a friend and you want to dock your vacuum cleaner, but it is not done with its cycle yet. All you have to do is go back to the app and you will click dock, and then it will ask you if you want to confirm you're ending the cycle, and if you hit confirm, it will stop what it's doing and it will find where the dock is and then line itself up directly to where it will charge on its own, which is really cool. And also you can go to the app at any time and see how charged your vacuum is as well. And it's cute because it will have like little Z's next to the vacuum so that you know it is sleeping. I don't know. There's just so many things I could say about this. I've been using it for about a week now and I just think it's too cool. How cool is that? She charges herself. You can just go on your phone. If you, for some reason, need to go somewhere and you want to end your progress where you are, you can just go right back to your app and then click dock, and then it will ask you if you want to end this session right now, and then she will just go ahead and dock herself if you hit confirm. And I think that is so cool that she can do that. So I hope y'all have enjoyed this video. If you did, of course, leave a like, a comment, subscribe, all that down below, and I will see you back here in the next one. Bye.